It's a fucking crazy blizzard. Holy shit, you can't even see the townhouses on the other side. And there's a whole block. Wow, the wind's picking up. It wouldn't be like this if it wasn't for the wind.